Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I want to talk about fast food or restaurants and the best way to get the um, best bang for your buck or the most food for your money, how to get filled up for the least amount of money. So some of the best deals and the best restaurants out there for the price. I usually go to McDonald's. Obviously you guys already all know that. I do the buy one get one free sandwiches like every day. I usually have been doing like the dollar cheeseburger or McChickens, two for a dollar. So those are like end up being like 50 cents a piece. Or if I'm really hungry, I do like the buy one get one free $3 triple cheeseburger. So two triple cheeseburgers for $3. And then another good place that I like is Carl's Jr. They used to have like a two for $5.55, and their burgers are pretty big. So you can get filled up from those for a pretty good price. You can also go to Subway. It's a little bit more money, but for the price compared to any other sub shop out there, $6. If you find a coupon, $6 for a sub is pretty good. Um, Also, like Olive Garden, they have unlimited soup and breadsticks. I think it's like $5 or $6, and you can just sit there and eat until you want to puke. It's awesome. Also, if you're looking to spend a little bit more money, I definitely recommend Spaghetti Factory. If you live on this side of I don't know where they're at basically, but there's like 30 or 40 of them around here. Anyways, they're spread out across the U.S., but definitely a good place. Huge plates of spaghetti for $11 to $14, I think. Anyways, unlimited bread, and you get a super salad, and then obviously your whatever you order, basically your spaghetti or whatever. Other places, I've been going to Jack in the Box for a while and getting the two for a dollar, not two for a dollar, two for $1.40 or two for $1.29 tacos, but usually it's $1.40 after tax. So I get the two tacos because they're cheap and they're pretty decently good. Also, just look for major deals like at Dairy Queen. They have like the two for three, three for four, and four for five. I think I don't know if they're still doing that, but anyways, just try to find a deal or something like that. Like at Wendy's, they have that deal I think as well. Like I don't know what it is, three for four, or four for five, or five for five. Anyways, just try to find a good deal, and something that's always good is just trying to find a restaurant that does unlimited food for a decent or low price. So hopefully this helps you guys out if you're looking to save money and eat like a king and die soon. So good luck on that, and hopefully this video helped you out. If you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.